Thank you for purchasing a Modern Forms Smart Fan. Let's get started by downloading the app from the Google Play Store. Simply search for Modern Forms. Creating an account. First, open the Modern Forms app. Then create an account. You can simply sign up or log in with your Facebook or Google accounts. For our purposes here, we are going to sign up. Enter a username, email address, and password. Then select Sign Up. Let's log in with the account we just created. Pairing your Modern Forms fan. Once logged in, the pairing process will begin. Swipe to the side. Navigate to your mobile device settings. Within the settings, select Wi-Fi. Select the network named Modern Forms Fan and enter the password Intelligence. This is case sensitive and must be in all lowercase letters. Let's transition back to the app. When we reopen the app, we will need to choose the home network we want to use and enter your home network password. Note that the fans can only connect to a 2.4 GHz network. Give the fan a name and select Next. The app will now go through a 3-step verification process. You can give the fan a photo and continue, or simply skip this step. You have now successfully added a fan to your account